Hi everyone, we're going to do some Heggerty exercises. Like the other day, we're going to start not with rhyming words, but with nonsense words. So I'm going to say different nonsense words, and you have to try to figure out what part of the body I'm talking about. Here we go. Zed, head. Deet, feet. Mingers, fingers. Pans, hands. Barms, arms. Lieballs, eyeballs. Kips, lips. Nice job. All right, let's listen for beginning sounds. I'll say the word, you repeat it, we'll say the beginning sound together. Here we go. Hand, can't, k, many, fight, page, p, bone, b, rice, r, tape, t, nice, what, w. Good. Okay, now we're going to do blending. So I'll say the small words, you repeat them, we'll clap it together. Here we go. Note, book, notebook, snow, plow, snowplow, grass, hopper, grasshopper, homemade, homemade, teaspoon, teaspoon, sunset, sunset, inside, inside, postcard, postcard, sweatshirt, sweatshirt, nightgown, nightgown. Good job. All right, now we're going to listen for ending sounds. I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and we'll say the ending sound together. Here we go. Goes, z, tub, b, fed, d, loaf, f, leg, g, bike, k, pull, l, time, mine, trip. Good job. All right, now we're going to segment words. So I'll clap the word, you repeat it, and then we'll break it into smaller words. Here we go. Footprint, footprint, campfire, camp, fire, seaweed, seaweed, sunflower, sunflower, beehive, beehive, dollhouse, dollhouse, without, without, eyesight, eyesight, applesauce, apple sauce, backbone, backbone. Good work. Okay, now we're going to do some word substitution. So I'll say a word, and then we're going to change the beginning part to something else. Here, see what we can make. Here we go. The word is pillowcase. Change pillow to book. Bookcase. The word is downstairs. Change down to up. Upstairs. The word is firefly. Change fire to butter. Butterfly. The word is rowboat. Change row to sail. Sailboat. The word is blackboard. Change black to card. Cardboard. Good work. Okay, now we're going to add some words. So I'll give you the beginning part and we'll add something to the end. Here we go. The word is male. Add man to the end. Mailman. The word is some. Add day to the end. Someday. The word is class. Add room to the end. The word is side. Add walk to the end. Sidewalk. The word is sun. Add shine to the end. Sunshine. Okay, we're going to do some word deletion. I will say the word, then we're going to remove the ending part. See what we're left with. Here we go. The word is bedtime. Without time, the word is bed. The word is baseball. Without ball, the word is base. The word is fireman. Without man, the word is fire. The word is birthday. Without day, the word is birth. The word is bathroom. Without room, the word is bath. Excellent. Okay, last one, counting words and sentences. Here we go. I am good in school. That was 5. Can your bike go fast? That was 5 also. Please sit down. And that was 3. My school is a great place. 6. Dogs can bark loudly. 4. Aren't we smart? And that's 3. The kids in my class are great. And that's 7. And it's true. You are great. Thanks for doing a great job today.